Alright guys, today we're putting in a 2-zone mini split Panasonic variety. It's a 2-story garage. We're going to have a unit down here in the lower level and one in the upper level. I'll show you what I got going on here in just a little bit. Alright guys, here's the upper level. As you can see, we got the bracket mounted, holes out. Communication line coming up. We'll wire this unit and hang it on the wall. Guys, we got the wiring done on the upstairs unit. The downstairs is already done. I always like to go red, white, and black, green, red, white, and blue. It's pretty easy to remember when you wire the other end. Alright guys, we're putting a speedy channel or line hide, whatever you want to call it, on the side of the house. We're going to pick up both line sets, put them in one. That way it looks nice and clean. They are stacked right above each other. So we'll run it down and then probably elbow it around and bring it into the side of the unit there. We already got the disconnect mounted up, so looking pretty good. I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. So I wanted to show you a little tip. I don't know if you guys do this or not, but I'd like to always pre-drill the back side and through the siding. Gives the siding a little bit of room to expand and contract. So I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. So what I'm doing is leveling this speedy channel up, put the level on it, and then I wish I had a tripod I'd show you, but I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill this and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, as you see, I drilled all the way through the speedy channel and the siding, and what that does is allows the screw to go through without cracking the siding and gives it a little bit of room for expansion and contraction when the vinyl gets hot and cold. So just a little tip, I thought I'd throw it in there. Alright guys, we got the line sets hooked up there. It's upstairs. Downstairs here, we'll have to insulate this after we check for leaks. Getting ready to hook up the unit. We'll wire it and get it running. So looking pretty nice. Panasonic, pretty nice unit. I think it'll do the customer a really good job. Alright guys, we're also using these new, I don't know how new they are, but they're spin flares. You put them in your drill and it makes a nice flare, real nice flare. So we're going to try this the first time I use it. Hopefully we have good luck with it. It's way more convenient than getting out the old Orbiter flaring tool and all that stuff. So we'll see how it goes. Guys, we're getting this here all wired up. As you can see, I got the disconnect mounted here. Wire runs in here. Get the head units hooked up, and we got a vacuum on it. So getting closer. Guys, our evacuation held, so we're going to let the refrigerant loose and start this unit up.